In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Koyfin. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to app.koyfin.com and you want to sign into your account, or of course create one in case you don't have one yet. Now, the first thing you'll see is this kind of dashboard over here where you can basically see the US equity markets, you can see the fixed income, market news, normalized performance, etc. Now, of course, the first thing you want to do is look for a name, ticker, or function. And up here, for example, you're trying to, let's say, see the analysis or the graphs or the current stance of one of these stocks, for example, Tesla. You can just click on it or look for the one you're looking for, click on that over here, and then just open up a sample template. And it's going to open up a template for that very specific stock or whatever you are looking for. Of course, here you can zoom in, zoom out, you can basically move around this graph, put it full screen, add in different basically functions, you can add in different drawings, draw lines, etc. So this, of course, is a chart where you can also do your technical analysis in case that's something you want, or you can go to templates over here and you can just add a template. Now, here, as you can see, you can select the dates, you can select if you want daily, weekly, or monthly time span, and you can see different custom options you have over here. You can show tables, share it, see the settings for this very specific chart, etc. So there's a bunch of different things you can do. Now, here, this is where, of course, your main thing is going to be happening. You're going to be seeing the main things over here in the middle. But over here in the left, in case this is kind of not showing, click on this button, and it's going to show the side panel where everything is going on. So here at the very top, you can see today's markets. This is basically the default page as well. Whenever you click on the Koyfin logo at the top left, you can see the market news. So inside the market news, there's pretty much everything going on with the market right now. You can see everything about the market movers over here. You can analyze that, read about it, etc. You can see your watch list. So in case you have created a watch list, you can see it over here. But if you have not created one, you simply have to click on this plus icon and create a new one, either from a template, from an import, or from scratch over here with a blank page. Now, here you can see your screens. So in case you want any screens, you can create these as well. Here you can see your portfolio. You can create one if you wanna, or watch the demo. You can also see your client's portfolios. So if you want to add your client's portfolios to track, you can also do that over here. And then you can also see your model portfolios if you want to use that too. Here, where it says dashboard, you can see all your dashboards. So this is my sample dashboard, which is the default one I created, but you can of course create as many as you want. You can have multiple graphs, a watch list plus multiple graphs, standard, watch list plus scatter plot, whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is completely up to you. You can customize that according to your own preference. Here you can see the market dashboards. There's a bunch of different ones over here. You can click through these and see pretty much different dashboards for different things that are actually listed over here. You can see the analytics over here, so the earnings calendar, lots of charts, market scatter, etc. And then over here you have the advanced search, where you can basically do a transcript search or a security search if you want to as well. Down here at the very bottom, you can see your security analysis. You can also see the snapshots for a specific stock. For example, right now, Tesla is selected, but I do believe whenever you search for something else up here and you open up a sample template, this changed as well. So over here, you can just search for the one that you've searched for up top. So you can see the snapshots, a bunch of different things over here, the analyst estimates, you can see financial analysis, news, filings, and transcripts, and of course, graphs where historical and of course different comparison, intraday, and performance graphs are available as well. So this is pretty much the main functions. Up here, of course, at the top right, you can basically toggle your watch list. You can open it or close it. You can see your top news here on the right as well. You can see your market movers, and you can see your notifications for your account as well over here with just a click of a button. Here up top, if you want help, you can go to the help center. If you want to view this full screen, you can do that too. Or if you have any issues with your account and you'd like to change something on your profile, the preferences, the data, your plans, colors, and themes, you can do all that up here by going to your account and then changing different settings available over here at this menu. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use Koyfin. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.